What's up, everybody? Today, for Valentine's Day, we drew a love bug. This is mine. This is Noah's. Hold it up.
I have a crazy love bug.
A crazy love bug. We're going to show you how we did it, so let's jump into it.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, we are here. We are going to draw a love bug.
Love.
A love bug for Valentine's Day. So we're going to grab our Sharpies. Got them?
Doink.
Doink. And then we're going to start up at the top. The bug's going to probably take up this much space. Okay. So up by his head, we're going to start with the little eyeballs. Okay, here we go. So we're going to start with a little heart, but the heart, just start with a little heart like this. Okay. And then another little heart off to the side. Noah already flipped over his Sharpie. Okay, you got it? Got two hearts. Nice. Okay, and now we're going to draw two little circles off to the sides.
I know this.
Yeah, and then we'll fill in the other space because his eyes are going to be kind of heart-shaped.
I'm one step ahead of you.
Yep.
One
Good.
step
You
ahead.
beat me, yep. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle around these hearts. Okay?
One step ahead.
So I like to have the eyes kind of pointing out when I draw bugs, but I'm going to draw the circle like this. Circle. And see how it kind of, the outsides of the heart are touching the edges of the circle. Nice. And then I draw a little arch connecting the two.
I'm gonna make my bug silly.
I know, I love it.
I'm gonna make my bug sticking his tongue out.
You can do whatever you want. Okay, do an arch connecting the two eyeballs.
Oh.
Okay, and then now we're going to draw a straight line like this in between the two eyes. Nice. And then a little U shape, a dip for his mouth. Nice. I like how big yours is. Oh, he's like a little tongue. I'm going to have my tongue on the inside like this. Okay, and then I'm going to color in the rest just to show that his tongue's right there. Good. Okay, now we're going to draw his chin. Okay, so we'll start from the side of the eyeball, kind of right here, and then the other eyeball right here, and we're going to do a little swoop and connect those two dots like this. So his head's kind of like an oval shape, and his eyeballs are kind of buggy. That's perfect. I love it. Okay, now we're going to do his antennae, his two antennas. Okay, so I do this like a little candy cane, and then I do another candy cane, but I make it a little bit higher.
Hearts.
Yep. And then hearts at the end.
I'm one step ahead of you. Yeah.
I don't know if this is like a hard and fast rule, but I like doing one antenna higher than the other, because when things aren't always like perfectly symmetrical, it kind of makes it look a little bit more interesting. So I make one higher than the other because I like the way that it looks. Okay, you ready for the next one? The next part? Okay, here we go. Now we're going to do a little dip, a long oval. So we have an oval right here for his head. That's hamburger way. And then we're going to do a long oval like this, and that's going to be hot dog way. So it goes like this.
Hot dog.
A big U.
I'm a hot dog.
Just like that.
Hot dog.
Nice. And then we'll draw a heart in the middle.
Heart for his belly button.
Yep. Okay. And then insects have, do you know how many legs insects have?
How many?
6. 6 legs. So the top 2 legs, or his arms, are going to be kind of curving out this way, and they're going to grab the heart. So do that. Curve out this way, grab the heart. So you'll start on the edge, loop, and then grab the heart. Nice.
I followed your
I
belly
love
button.
it. No, that's okay. And then the next set of legs, he's just going to have them kind of on his hips. Okay, so they're going to go like this, and then whoop, kind of like an S.
Like
Whoop.
he's a squatty. Yep. He's squat.
Yep. And then now his bottom legs are just going to be the legs that are standing. Like that. Yours looks so silly. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna do his little stripes. So I like to do a stripe above the heart, like this, right underneath his chin. Another stripe below the heart,
Stripe.
and then another stripe
Stripe.
above his legs. Just like that.
Stripe on your bum.
Okay, now we're gonna do his wings. And since he's a love bug, we're gonna do his wings in the shape of a
Heart.
heart.
John Cena heart.
A John Cena heart. Okay, let's go. So we're gonna start at the eyeball. Ready?
Yep.
And then we're gonna go up and then down. And then at his other eyeball. Okay, here we go. And then we're gonna do a line. Goes down like that. A line that goes down like that.
Are you like stuck? Are you like
Sure.
like?
And then now look at, we kind of do from the middle. Up, 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 up.
That actually looks like a tree.
Kind of, sort of, yeah. Okay, perfect. And there's our love bug. Should we color him in? All right, there is our love bug. I like how you did all your hearts. They look really cool. And I like how his tongue's sticking out.
A heart and
All right, well, let's give everybody a thumbs up. And
A heart up.
A heart up. We hope you had fun. And happy Valentine's Day. We'll see you next time.
yeah, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Yeah, we hope you have a very good Valentine's